before we go for our walk on the shady, lovely shady paths that I've got in mind, first, the river. Just check there are no sheep ahead first. Oh no! Lyra, wait a sec. That's a good girl. Go no. Lyra! Good girl, Mally. Good girl, Mally. Oh, that's what we need. A good bit of swimming first. Cool the bodies off. And then stay on the nice cool tracks. Isn't it? Come on, Toto. Come back in. Let's get you all nice and cold. Come on, easy go. Oh, lovely. You inhale the water. You can drink as much of this one as you like. You can. All right, let's see if we can encourage you to all go. Oh, that was so cold. Right, ready, go. Go, 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 go. And again. Go. That'll cool them off, won't it? That'll cool them off nicely. Come again. Behind you. And again. Are you ready? Go! I think you missed that one, Kono. 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 Okay. Ready? Last ones. Go! Lyra's found one! Yay! There we go. Oh, how beautiful. Right. Are you ready to carry on now? That'll be a lot cooler, won't it, bud? Hey?